There's something else that I want to talk about real quick. And I was talking with this lady at work, and she's quite a bit older than me. She's close to retirement age, and we were talking about 401ks. You know, I said that we have a fully funded retirement account at work that I don't put anything into, and it's been building up. And she says, well, do you have 401k? And I said, no. And she said, well, why not? And I said, well, I'm not really interested in that. Mutual funds and stock market haven't gone anywhere in the past 11 years. The Dow was at 10,000 in 1999. It was 10,000 now. So, you know, I'm not really interested in that. And she says, oh, well, that's kind of sad because, you know, we've done quite well. And I'm thinking, yeah, you've done quite well. You've been in them in the 80s and the 90s. And then, you know, you lost in 08, but it's already come back. And I was saying, but get ready for it to go back down again. And she just kind of shook her head, and then she said, well, we have a good financial advisor, and he's taking care of everything. We've done quite well. And I said, well, that's good. I'm sure that the most important thing for you is just to, you know, maintain and guard what you have, and without losing any. And then I asked her, has he recommended gold and silver for you? And she says, oh no, we're strictly in low risk investments, you know, like bonds and treasuries and mutual funds, stuff like that. And I said, oh yeah, well, I didn't want to be rude to her, but, you know, I was thinking in my head, yeah, I guess something with intrinsic value that's been real money for thousands of years, if you drop it on your foot, it actually hurts. I guess that's kind of high risk. You better stick with the paper. You know, something that since 1913 has gone down 95% in value. That's probably a little lower risk for you. So I asked her if she was worried about the crash in the dollar, and she said, what? She kind of looked at me weird, and I said, all right, never mind. We're living in two different worlds. I'm living in reality. I don't know where you're living, but I mean, I think that's just kind of typical of people. They've been taught that gold, silver, are high risk investments, you know, super volatile, this and that. And anyway, I thought that was funny.